Oh my god, so good. A summer dress, but I don't know now what to call. So feminine. This gives me like pure cottage core vibes. It's the prettiest dress ever on modern princess vibe. The material is so soft. I have to take my words back and just watch. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, as the title suggests, we are going to be doing Savannah dresses haul. There's a huge discount going on Savannah website, so I just felt a good time to invest in some good floral dresses, some feminine dresses as I love. If you want to invest in some dresses and if you love these kind of flowy feminine dresses, then you have to watch the video till the end. So yeah, let's get into it. Now, what I noticed on Savannah is that you can get a little overwhelming because everything is very Pinteresty, and of course you can go sometimes overboard with that. The first dress is very pretty. It looks like this on the website, like the butter yellow color dress. It has this mini like floral print going on. It is actually a summer dress, but I don't know now what to call. May is behaving like June, so I don't know, but it matches your body because of this crisscross thing which you have here, so you can adjust it as per your body and as per your liking, however tight or however loose you want. Gives you an illusion of like a corset thing, but it does not have any kind of those wires and whatever the corset has. So it's a good thing because it is comfortable, but still it gives you like a pretense of like a corset top thing going on. Then the beautiful thing, what I loved about this dress is the detailing, and I love when anything is so detailed. So here we have on the bust area this lace thing going on, which is like so feminine and so delicate, and then again it has these ribbons, and also not to forget it has a long like frill, and with that also it has again like patchwork with lace. I mean, this gives me like pure cottage core vibe. Can be worn for like a picnic sort of a thing. I mean, it's so cute, and also for the tie-up situation. But there are these tie, so you can tie them up however you like it. Again, at the back also it has this stretchy material which again gives you a lot of support. It is a pretty dress, I would say. I love every bit of it. Well, talking about all the material of the dresses, they are very soft, they are very comfy, and yeah, they are very comfortable. So if you love like a good pretty floral dress, full length dress, go for this one. It is too pretty to have in your wardrobe. Okay, let's talk about the next dress. Basic white dress. It's a basic dress, actually a basic white dress, until and unless you see the back of it. A backless dress with a cute tie-up situation. It has a lining. It's a good thing that it has a lining, because otherwise it would have been a see-through dress because of this work that it has. All the chicken curry work is going on, which is also very pretty. The length is perfectly to your knees. It has this frill at the bottom, but it has the adjustable stripes, the straps thing. It's really pretty, but I'm not sure whether I'll be able to wear this at most of the places. I won't be comfortable showing a lot of my back area. So yeah, I think I might return this only for the back thing, but otherwise it's a very cute dress to have in your closet. For someone who loves like a little backless thing, then you can definitely go for this one. Moving on to the next dress, it is this dress. It is a bodycon dress which fits and hugs your body so perfectly. I love everything about this, the high neck thing and also the sleeveless part. On the website, the color of this dress was pretty like maroonish color, but then when I received it is like a brown with a hint of purple. But I won't mind having like this kind of color situation because it looks good. I was expecting a maroon kind of a color, but then this is also not bad. So it has this ruche detailing going on, which is also perfect because it gives your body a little bit of shape. It has a lining attached to it, which is a good part, of course. On the upper layer it has the mesh detailing, and it is like a tie-dye thing. I wore this at a party and I got a lot of compliments. I wore heels, of course, on this one. Looks so chic, so elegant. So yeah, it is like a win-win situation. Also, it has a big zip going throughout your lower back. And I love this high neck, gives a little chic. I love to have like bodycon dresses. I love the dresses which hugs my body perfectly, and this one is one of those dresses for sure. Well, it's time for my favorite dress from this haul. Oh my god, you have to wait for it. I'm sure you're gonna love it because I love this dress for all the good reasons. Just watch. A little story time. So I had ordered this dress in the month of April for the birthday celebration, but then it did not arrive. Savannah just thought of canceling my order, and I was not expecting to see this dress on the website. I just thought that it might be out of stock. But then when I was scrolling through the website, I just found this dress again, and then I was like, maybe it's a sign that I should get this one. And I'm so glad that I did because it's the prettiest dress ever. Look at it. It gives a full-on modern princess vibes. So pretty. I love the color first of all. It looks so feminine. It has a lot of flow. It touches the ground, perfect length. It's a tube dress, of course, has this little bit of detailing like ruche situation, which again makes everything look so good. I love the color. It's powder pink. Love the print on it. Look at the roses. Look at it. I mean, also the material is so soft. I mean, I was like shook when I felt the material, because honestly I don't know why I was not at all expecting so much from the Savannah thing. I thought that the materials would be like very cheap or not that great, but I have to take my words back. They are not. They are super pretty. Along with it, it's super comfortable. So I'm pretty happy with everything I got. And this one definitely tops the list. Also, whenever like I see any kind of tube dresses or like off-shoulder dresses, I become a little bit skeptical. They will not like hold the bust area properly, or I will just have to pull the thing again and again, which is like the irritating part. But with this dress, this elastic holds your bust area so well that you don't have to like do anything once this is on. Of course, you have to wear like a strapless bra inside it, or maybe you can also wear a nipple pasties, but I would recommend to wear like strapless bra inside it to give you like proper support. And I cannot wait to wear this outside and style it in so many ways. This definitely tops the list. The best part about all of these dresses is that it has a good lining. So this one is like a thick lining, so there's no situation of being it see-through, so you don't have to think or care more about that. You can have a little bit of twirl in these dresses, which is like girls' favorite things. And with that, we have come towards the end of this beautiful Savannah haul. It was a mini haul, but let me know if you would like to see more of these kind of videos. I would love to make this for you guys. And if you all watch this video up till here, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. That will mean the absolute world to me. And subscribe to my channel if you all haven't already. Let's hit 1000 subscribers very soon. I say the same thing again and again, but yeah, I'm putting the things out in the universe, and I believe that it will happen soon. So yeah, let's connect over Instagram, and I'll see you soon in the next one very soon. Until then, bye.